Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1624 Carey Road in Kelowna, BC, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today I'm going to show off this absolutely gorgeous 2022 Toyota Tundra TRD Off-Road Limited. This is a hybrid version, so it is fueled by a hybrid fuel electric engine, which is a 6-cylinder 4-liter, and it is riding on 18-inch alloy wheels, and we've got 4-wheel drive. From the side, we've got our chrome door handles and trim, as well as our color matched mirrors with integrated turn signals. Moving around to the front, we've got our beautiful lines here. It's nice and tough looking, along with our fog lights and our big blacked out grille with the silver trim. Inside, we have a whole ton of fantastic features too. So let's hop right in and take a look at everything that this hybrid Tundra can offer you. So jumping inside, we have a whole ton of amazing features to check out. We'll start over here on the door panel. We have our power locks, windows, and power folding mirrors. And then right down here, you've got your memory settings for your power driver's seat. If we take a look at our options right here, we're gonna find our automatic high beams, as well as our odometer, trip meter, rear parking aid, heated steering wheel, and a bunch of other good stuff. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we've got our audio controls and our hands-free Bluetooth calling, as well as controls for accessing different options up here on the dash. If we take a look, we've got our safety features over on the left, such as our lane keeping assist, pre-collision mitigation system, blind spot monitor, parking aids, rear cross traffic alert, and we can go down and check out even more. If we use our controls here to scroll through, we've got a whole bunch of different information. Right here, for example, is where your turn-by-turn navigation will show up. If we take a look over here, we've got our gas gauge as well as our battery, and pretty much everything you need to know is going to be right in front of your eyes. Taking a look on the left-hand side or the right-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our adaptive cruise control and our quick button for our lane keeping assist. If we move right down here, we've got our push button start, and then taking a look at the center console, we've got this nice big touch screen. You can go in there and set it up when you do your profile just the way you like it. You do have the Wi-Fi option here, as well as Bluetooth, satellite radio, Android Auto, Apple Carplay, navigation. Pretty much everything you could imagine is going to be found right in here. Moving down, we've got our dual zone electronic climate control, and your heated and cooled front seat controls are there as well. And if we go down a little bit further, we've got our camera views, traction control, locking differential, our wireless phone charger, electronic parking brake hold system, and right here, you've got your drive mode, downhill crawl assist, and your 4-wheel drive is right there. If we take a look up, we've got a beautiful panoramic roof. And then we've got this gorgeous black leather interior, which is just like new. In the back, we have seating for 3 and a nice big pull-down center console as well. So let's hop out and take a look at what's going on around back. Moving around to the back and the end of the box, we've got our TRD off-road 4x4 badging. Up top, we're gonna find our color-matched rear-mounted shark fin antenna. And then back here, we're also going to find our Tundra and 4x4 badging as well. We do have the tonneau cover right there. And down here, we're going to find our trailer hitch plus your electrical for your brakes. And then we do have these little circles here are your park assist sensor. And we do have the backup camera right there as well. Opening up the bed, we've got a beautiful spray-in box liner in excellent condition with cargo tie-downs. Closing it up. Thank you very much for taking the time to check out this 2022 Toyota Tundra Hybrid TRD Off-Road Limited with me. If you'd like to see it for yourself, come see us at 1624 Carey Road here in Kelowna. If you have some questions before making the trip, you can give us a call Monday to Saturday, or find us online anytime at KelownaToyota.com to get all the details and specs on this truck and to browse the rest of our new and used inventory. I hope everybody's doing fantastic. Please drive safe. We look forward to seeing you soon.